How to clear history in Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can clear history on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to clear history on Netflix, it's actually very simple. For this, open up your browser and just go to netflix.com and make sure that you're of course signed into your account. Once you sign into your Netflix account from your browser, tap the three lines option here, and then I want you to simply head over to account option as you can find it. Once you tap the account option over there, what you need to do is just scroll down and then you should be able to find all this profile and parental controls. Select the profile for which you would like to delete the history. Then here you'll find viewing activity. Tap on the view button. You'll be able to see all the viewing activity of this profile. Now scroll down to the bottom. Just tap the hide all button. Tap on yes, hide all my viewing activity, and your history on Netflix is going to get successfully deleted. This way you'll be able to clear history on Netflix. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.